Welcome back to KoffeeOne video clips. How often are you sitting in your office in your very busy environment and you think, gee, I would love a cappuccino, but the cafe's 10 minutes away, you have to leave your workplace, you've got to spend $3.50 and you think, oh gee, I'll go without. How would it be if you could have that fantastic cappuccino right in your office? Well, now you can with our Carimali Gusto. It is that simple. You take your cup from your workstation, you stick it under this machine and you press the cappuccino button. You get ground fresh coffee every cup in perfect extraction. Within a minute of leaving your desk, you have a fantastic cappuccino.